What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Mo from Dark Web Jacobs. And I got a package yesterday from Wish.com and it came in with a little bubble right here. It's the forehead shaver from Kemei KM-2024. I bought it for $9 and it came in a week, so it's a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna do a little quick review and the performance test and see how it goes. Let's get started. Alright folks, basically like all this thing came in with this bubble right here. So it didn't come with the box, unfortunately. Maybe that's why it was cheaper, but it also saves some resources, so it doesn't really matter, for me at least. If you want a box, maybe find a different store. But the one I ordered from, it came in with a bubble. It came in. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. Whatever. Alright. So basically, so this is the main body right here, Kemei KM-2024, and it's pretty kind of small, it can fit in your hands and you can, carry around anywhere you want. It's pretty good. Has a cover, plastic cover to protect the blades, and this one has a gold foil. You can detach the foil and you can always see the blades right here. Make sure to oil before you use them. Put it back on, and it says shaver model KM-2024, power 3 watts, input DC 5 volt, IPX4 made in PRC. Let's go. All right, and when you turn on, it vibrates. It's pretty loud, kind of. It's pretty strong, kind of. Oh, it has a charging port right here, like a USB stick. It's pretty handy. It's vibrating. So this is the main body, and it comes with a charging cable right here. It's like a USB B or something. It's the one you use it for Samsung, Android. So if you have an Android charger, you can also use it. Use your cable too. And also comes with instruction manual right here, and I haven't read it yet, but the indicator light will be red when charging, and the standard charging time is 8 hours. Okay, it's gonna take a whole day basically. So just plug in before you go to bed. When you wake up, you're ready to shave. It also comes with the extra foil, which is silver. So I think it's the same thing, but in case the one is broken, you can always replace it. It's pretty generous for $9, honestly. I don't know about the quality or performance, but it comes with extra stuff, so it's pretty good for beginners, beginner barbers. And also, last but not least, it comes with a little tiny pouch, like the case. You can put it inside and tie it, and you can carry it around and tie it to your wallet or something like that, so you can always take it out and shave it outside or when you're traveling. It's pretty handy. So that's what this is all about. But okay, so I don't know about the performance, so I'm just gonna shave my beard with this and see how it goes. Boom. Alright, I finished shaving right here, the neck beard right here. So right now I'm gonna use this forehead shaver to clean up, see how it works. Alright guys, what do you guys think? I don't know, it took out some hair and it's kind of smooth, but I can't really tell because I've never really used it before. I've never really used the forehead shaver before. I can't really compare, but so far I guess it's okay for its price. But in the next few videos, I'm gonna try to use this foil shaver on haircut, like a fading haircut, see how it actually makes it even cleaner. So if you want to know more about the performance of this product right here, stay tuned on my channel. I'm gonna upload it in next week or something like that. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and if you wanna buy this, I'll put the link in the description. So check it out and see for yourself. It's only $9. So like, yeah, just stop eating a pizza for a week and you get a shaver. So yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you soon. Bye.